When to call us. It's a common question that people have when they've been in some sort of injury causing incident is, when do I call a personal injury law firm? So here at Elsner Law Firm, we handle primarily motor vehicle collisions or collisions involving some sort of vehicles. We also do handle premises liabilities, commonly referred to as slip and fall, as well as dog bites. But then from there, the question is, well, what makes a case is something that an attorney can help me out with? We handle cases where there's insurance involved, whether it be your insurance or the at-fault party's insurance. We only handle cases where we are representing the injured person. Just the way the law works, that if you're the one that's causing the injury, then you're paying out for somebody's losses. And yes, if you're injured, you need to get treatment and get better as well, if you cause the collision. But there isn't an avenue for you recovering any kind of pain and suffering or anything additional than your medical losses that you'd have to have your health insurance pay for. And so the cases that we focus on are personal injury cases involving cars, trucks, buses, Uber, Lyft, all those different types of vehicles. It can be a pedestrian, it can be a bicycle as well. And then we always make sure that there is some sort of insurance to be able to pay for the losses. This is mainly because if you, let's say, get a very big verdict against somebody that caused injuries to you and they didn't have insurance, well, they can just declare bankruptcy and then you don't get anything. So you can spend a lot of time and money trying to prove your case, but then not be able to recover anything at the end of the day. From there, as I mentioned, we do some premises liability, which is where when people are injured on somebody's property, oftentimes it's because they've slipped and fallen on something, and there are cases like that we potentially can help out with. You have to prove negligence on the property owner, and so that's always a big thing that we would have to have a discussion about whether we'd be able to help you or not, because the business owner does not have to have somebody doing 24-hour surveillance to make sure the property is safe. And so the question often comes down to, what did they know about or what they should have known about that dangerous condition? Lastly, dog bites as well. Washington is a strict liability state, and so if you own a dog and it bites somebody, well, then there's no question on liability unless that person provokes that dog. We have situations like that where we represent people as well for their injuries. If you have some questions about this, you may have been in a collision, not sure what the process looks like for dealing with your claim with the insurance company and making sure all your losses are covered, feel free to reach out to us because we do offer a free consultation.